Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel QA Pulse, where quality meets precision. Today I am going to tell you about the difference between quality assurance and quality control. You have often heard these two words QA and QC, and most of the people are mostly confused in between these terms, so let's clear it up. Quality assurance serves as a validation process to ensure that the product has met its requirements. In short, the process assures expected quality for the product. QA is a preventive process that is used to establish methods that can prevent bugs. QA will focus on quality of verification process. The activities in QA can be like reviews, like document reviews, test case reviews, walkthrough or inspections, etc. Now, talking about quality control. QC ensures that all necessary procedures, methodologies, and techniques have been followed to ensure a defect-free product. QC takes corrective measures that can identify and fix errors. QC focus will be on the entire product. QC includes activities like functional testing, automation, compatibility testing, integration testing, etc. Now, let me give you a real life example of a kitchen of any restaurant. It will make these terms more clear to you. Quality assurance is like the chef planning the recipe before cooking. They carefully select the ingredients, train the staff, and set up the kitchen to ensure that every dish is prepared to perfection. QA ensures everything should go smoothly. Think of Q as a big picture thinker who always says, let's make sure nobody ends up with a burnt souffle. On the other hand, quality control is the taste tester. They are the brave soul who checks every dish before it goes out to the customer. QC ensures that no soggy salads or overcooked steaks ruin anyone's dinner. It is the last defense against disaster, shouting, "Hey, this soup tastes like dishwater. Fix it before we send it out." Now, guys, I hope Q and QC terms are much more clear to you. Thank you, guys. Hope you like the video.